So landlord tip of the week, I'm noticing it on some of our properties or properties that are coming on that we want to make sure we focus on these things. But, we just had the fall, tree branches falling, leaves falling. And I know I talked about before, getting your gutters clean, all that stuff, but making sure, I want to reiterate that to make sure that the path of water needs to fall, whether it be down your roof line, not being blocked by branches, into your gutters, not being blocked by leaves and branches, or down the spouts. A lot of our listeners are in Chicago, where you have those little drains that are on the side of the houses or behind at the basement stairwell that get clogged really easily. All those things are going to lead to potentially more problems. Make sure that you have the ability for your property to have proper water runoff. So especially for all these freezing and thaws that we get in a typical Chicago winter. So water does killer damage on things, and it will always find a route to go. So make sure, or pile up. So make sure that you have everything clean, or your property manager has all these things accounted for in your property.